Sa Ontario, mahigit 100 Filipino-Canadian sa Toronto ang dumalo sa inorganisang town hall meeting kasama ang alkalde ng syudad. Isa raw pagkakataon para sa dialogue at pag-angat sa mga isyong hinaharap ng komunidad sa syudad. May report si Paula Saraza.
Marahil ito na raw ang pinakamalaking town hall meeting ng Filipino community kasama si Toronto Mayor Olivia Chow. Isang pagkakataon para maiangat sa syudad ang iba't ibang isyung apektado ang komunidad.
When we come together and express our shared ambitions, our shared wishes as a community to our political leaders and they're willing to hear, one, I think it says a lot about political leaders, that they're willing to listen to us. And two, I hope it tells us that we have influence and power that we should be using for the betterment of our community and for the betterment of all Torontonians.
I am so encouraged with the turnout. This room is full.
Ayon sa Filipino-Canadian Civic Action Network, 140 na raw ang nag-register at nagpakita ng interes sa pagdalo sa pagpupulong na isinagawa sa Earl Bales Community Center Martes ng gabi. Bago pa dumating ang alkalde, nagtipo na ang community leaders sa kani-kanilang assigned groups para mapag-usapan ang mga pangunahing issue na nais nilang iangat sa municipal government.
First and foremost is affordability within the city. We recognize that the cost of things has really gone up over the last several years, and this is a real concern for many of our community, given that we are often working in roles that are not at the higher end of the salary scale.
Sang-ayon ng marami na housing at affordability ang pinaka-ikinababahala sa syudad.
For overseas Filipino workers here, Filipino migrants, newcomers, first and second gen, I think the number one issue is housing. We're dealing with a cost of living crisis. There's many of us who are renting, still unable to own homes. And we're fighting against rent increase and poor living conditions.
Yeah, we absolutely need to build more housing people can afford, and that's what we're doing, but it takes a few years to get them built and with a lot of shovel in the ground. In the meantime, we're helping people with rent, and you can call 311. No illegal rent increase. No rent evictions.
Ang tumataas na cost of living, mas mabigat daw para sa mga international student. Naramdam din ang pagsubok pagdating sa paghahanap ng trabaho.
We know that many Filipino migrant international students have sacrificed a lot to come here because of the lack of opportunities back home due to all the corruption still in the Philippines. So really concerned about just how much international students are not able to even get the opportunities here in Canada.
Ang pagkakataong maihayag ang mga ito sa harap mismo ng alkalde, kinikilala ng komunidad bilang mahalagang hakbang sa pagtulak sa hiling na aksyon mula sa syudad.
The mayor has a lot of power to make change, systemic changes. It's really up to us to really continue to uplift the voices of our communities.
Ilan pa sa mga ibinahagi ang pagkakaroon ng espasyo para makapagtipo ng komunidad at magsilbing lugar kung saan mas mahihimok pa ang Filipino youth na kumonekta at kilalanin ang kulturang Pilipino. Paula Saraza, Omni News, Toronto.